Here we go through the rough terrain. Moist. Up here. Really moist. And then here we are. Going up a little bit. This is one of the worst terrains you can go through in your life. See if we can find an animal somewhere. Here we go through the rough terrain again. Oh my god. It's a lion. There's the lion. You have to go around it. Tame the lion with this net. Tame the lion! I tamed the lion. And here we go. Wish me luck, I gotta get to the other side. I found the roughest animal ever. A hippopotamus. There's the hippopotamus. Here's the hippopotamus. Gotta get a little close to the hippopotamus. It's a hippopotamus right there. It's very scary. I touched the hippopotamus. The hippopotamus is friendly. It's a friendly hippopotamus. We found a hippopotamus. That's another animal that we have seen. So, let's get another close-up on the hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. Say hi, hippopotamus. There's the hippo. So yeah, that's a hippopotamus. So far we've seen a lion and a hippopotamus. Let's see what we find next. I found an eagle. I'll see if I'm going to show you the eagle. There it is. Catch the eagle. Come on, eagle. Net cam. Okay, the eagle's too fast. Can't get the eagle. It's too fast. Has to go on the rough terrain where the hippopotamus is. I have to go see the hippopotamus. There's a hippo through here. Yeah, see some hippopotamus in there. Yeah. Let's go. Hippopotamus. Let's go this direction. Oh, look at this. What is this over here? This is made by Indians. Made by Indians. The Indians like believing stuff like that. There's what the Indians will be. This is a rough terrain. Different. And there's one of the roughest animals in the world, and it just went away. That was a pterodactyl. The pterodactyl's attack. Oh, stay away. of the most roughest animals. Second roughest. Gotta run! Gotta get the net. Let's go. Fine. Rhino. Find the rhino. Hey, look. The Indians caught something. They caught flowers. Well, that's not a flower. That's a rhino. Run! Okay, let's see what we find next. Okay, I got a hippopotamus tooth. It's a hippopotamus tooth. Show the hippopotamus and see what it feels. That. Hippopotamus! What? There's the hippo. Here's the tooth. Seems like it's getting ready to attack. I have its sharp tooth. Look during the watch this. Trying so hard not to scream. Oh Lord. Watch this. Even though the hippopotamus tooth got stuck in my finger, but I just removed it, and now it got stuck in my finger again. See? Stuck. Okay. Hippopotamus. The Indians work to get all this wood. They give it a ticket of appreciation. The hippopotamus tooth. This is $1,000. It's $1,000 worth of hippopotamus tooth. Even though my fingers are killing me like crazy, still have to go on. See what happens next. The hippopotamus is running after me. My dad's going. Did it run away? Okay, hippo. Put one back in there. Here's the hippopotamus. I think that's it for today. Let's head back up to the house. Whew. This is one of the hardest terrains I've gone in life. So, thank you for watching the most extreme adventure. The most extreme adventure ever. I will see you next time. Okay. Bye.